What's good, fools? Welcome to the channel. Sorry for yelling. Yo, today's review, we're doing... God dang it. Look, man. Poor people problems, so I can't zoom in, but today we're reviewing. You can see that. I'll put it on screen somewhere. Until I can get a better camera, bro. I'm not... Because, like, it's loud when I focus it, and it takes too long to focus. So I do apologize. So comment, like, subscribe, so I can get a better camera. But no, bro. Like, this is Cuba Red. Now this, I've been using Cuba for years, but not particularly this scent. You'll see the review of the Cuba that I normally view and that I normally use in a upcoming video or something. But yeah, I just got this maybe like like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I got this like a few weeks ago. Let's get to it. The spray. See, I don't know if it's gonna come out on my skin because original spray, I get like it's a alcohol type of smell mixed with a little sweet and that little bit of aftershave smell. That's what I'm getting. Now this is another scent I use for work. Now the notes for what it says it's tobacco, woody, warm, spicy, sweet, mossy, earthy, and whiskey. But and it does have that sweet smell, and it has, I guess you can say that tobacco and that woodiness and the sweet. Yeah, I definitely that tobacco, yeah, woody and that sweet stuff. Yeah, I do smell it. My girl does not like this at all. She said I smell like an old man. She did not like this at all. I kind of like that at first. Like, I normally tend to like the smell, but give me 1 second. I'm gonna come in and come back out. That's what she said. But yeah, I definitely get that sweet smell. It does have like a very sweet smell with that woody. I do like that wood smell. I get it. Like I said, mixed with that aftershave. I smell it. But as far as it does last a little bit longer than like the Dracar Noir. I would say it lasts for about a good hour on your skin. Clothes a little bit longer. I'd say maybe about 3-4 hours in my experience. And it like I said, it can still linger. But yeah, that's what I get. I get. But yeah, any colognes y'all want me to review, feel free to comment them down below. But yeah, I would give this between 1 to 10. I would say about a 6.5. Smell, I like it, but smell I like it, but at first it's just like it's really strong. Like it's just straight alcohol smell when you first spray it. Then it like simmer down after like a few seconds. It simmers down. But yeah, at first the first initial spray, it's like it's way too much. Just a straight alcohol smell. Kind of overpowering, but yeah, I like this. So yeah, so I give it a 6.5. But yeah, Cuba Paris Red. Let's go. But I guess my girl, the old man spray. But yeah, I'm out, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, whatever. I don't like saying it, but yeah, but yeah, I'm out. Peace. Yeah, yeah. My vocals